Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 20th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Pisces, this is your channel song. Oh, no, 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 no. Now, Pisces, when you feel in your body, you found somebody who makes you change your ways, like hanging with your crew. Said you act like you're ready, but you don't really know that everything in your past, you're gonna let it go. I've been there, done it, humped around. After all that, this is what I found. Nobody wants to be alone. So if you touch by the words of this song, tell me you got it bad. When you're on the phone, hang up, then you call right back. Say you got it bad. If you missed a day without your friend, your whole life's off track. No, you got it. House, you don't wanna have fun. He's all you think about. You got it bad when you're stuck in the house and you keep on thinking about somebody else. You say that you love him, but you really know everything that used to matter, it does not matter no more. Like his money, all your cars, he can keep it all, yeah. But I want flowers and cotton candy. My priorities are off. You want to keep the house and the car, keep it. But I'll be damned if I share my flowers and cotton candy. Anyways, yeah, so I'm getting you got it bad. Pisces, you're on the phone, you hang up, and then you call right back. Or I'm getting Pisces, you have it bad. You have it real bad. Because I'm getting you're married and you have a wife and you're still pursuing somebody else. A war with me and the mother-in-law. War with me and the mother-in-law. The father not too bad, neither the grandma. But a war with me and the mother-in-law. You will make mothers-in-law everywhere hate me. Because you are married to someone's daughter. And you're on blood clot dating sites looking for another person to fuck because you don't like your wife. Now you make the mother-in-law locate this new bitch that you've been fucking with. Meanwhile you're fucking her daughter. So Pisces, you got it real bad. Because not only did you make your wife know that you've been... Oh, also Pisces, you have a tracker on your car. I don't know if you know this. Your wife put a tracker on your car. If your wife... I'm getting a Pisces man, your wife Caucasian, blonde hair. There's a tracker on your car, first of all. If your wife is overweight, that is why. She don't, maybe that's why you don't have sex with her either. Because I'm getting she fatter than you, you're a guy, you're a Pisces man, I'm getting you slim and you're short. I'm getting the woman is very, very big. I'm also getting the bitch who you've been fucking with, our mother-in-law know the bitch. I could possibly be that bitch too. But tell us your mother-in-law don't like me, and it's probably because of the fucking sons-in-laws, right? Okay, great. So I'm getting a check up on your car. You're in a sticky situation because apparently your mother-in-law has been doing research to know that you're online looking for other women. And I'm guessing your mother-in-law actually located the woman, the bitch you're fucking on her daughter with. So you got it to say that you love him. And you really know everything that used to matter, it don't matter no more. Like the rings or the child support, he can have it all. And flowers, cotton candies. I'm so sorry, I don't mean to be this way, but you have to understand, say, I'm born from the sky. Great, so let's go ahead and go into your overall messages. Pisces, who has left me in pieces. You're going to be left in pieces when the girl them gang out your blood. What is your main card? 5 of Pentacles, yeah? So I don't know if y'all get kicked out. I don't know if the plan is to get rid of the side bitch. But me getting somebody gonna lose everything. I don't know who it is. Is either the man who is fucking on them wife or is the girl who you tell? Pisces, you tell the girl say you're single. You told the girl that you are a single man renting a house from a woman with kids. You never tell her say your is your woman. You never tell her say it's your kids. You said you're renting a place from a woman. So tell the mother-in-law say, don't rush you. Because the son-in-law never tell you. The son-in-law said that you guys were not, you weren't sleeping in the same bed. That's what he said. That's what he said. That's what he said. Never believe when a man tells you not sleeping in the same bed with a woman. Never believe that. But if you're going to believe it, Five of Pentacles, that's the overall card. Loneliness, abandonment, homelessness. Don't know. Kennedy, don't know. Paper plates and cups, don't know. Okay, so I'm getting homelessness. We don't know what happened to who when they find out say you've been with someone's husband. Or I'm getting, you get catch. You've been fucking on your daughter-in-law and the mother-in-law catch you. See, mother-in-law ever in a problem with me, but I always got along with the fathers-in-law. Always. Ever. Almost, not every. But if you ask the father-in-laws their opinions of me versus the mother-in-law's opinions of me, you'll get two different opinions. Because the fathers-in-law wasn't in my fucking business. What's your love card? We got, ooh, yeah, Pisces. I'm getting, you haven't had sex yet. You're getting kissing, hugging, touching. I don't know if she give you oral. I don't know if like oral plays been happening here. But yeah, we're getting homelessness. Are you fucking on your wife with a homeless girl? If she look like me, then would I say, okay. Well, otherwise, when I say, bro, you fuck up, you know. Imagine your wife go through college, school, have parents raise her. She'll be a great housewife and you cheat on her with a homeless girl. The bitch had nothing and you cheated on her. Just show you. When a man asks you what you bring to the table, I say homelessness. That's what I bring to the table. I bring paper plates and plastic forks. That's what the fuck I bring to the table. I'll bring a plastic knife. That's what the fuck I'm bringing to the table. I'm homeless. I don't have a table. So I'm getting, yeah. I don't know who I'm going to find out. Say you cheated on them or you're having an affair. You'll get kicked the fuck out. Or I'm getting, maybe you want your wife to know say you have on her. Because I'm getting, there's nothing else you can do. So maybe she will leave you if she knows say you're having sex. Because that's your love. Your love is you have sex with somebody. And I don't think it's your wife. I think it's someone you just met. Because it feels like a younger energy. Like you meet a younger girl and the sex is very passionate. Me getting a beer turning in the bed, kissing and hugging, but you not penetrate each other. That's what me getting. What's your career and money? The Justice card. Okay, so if you're married, me getting, she can find out say you had an affair on her, she will want a divorce. Me getting everything when going on 50-50. Now, if the court asks if I split $0, it made no fucking sense, but me getting if she had kids, she'll get the house. So you are houseless. You're going to have to find someone to live. But I'm getting you were living with this woman and you're still fucking on her. So why are you so surprised if you fuck on her and she decides that she want to live somewhere else? Everything going to be split down the middle though. So she's not going to get more than you. And if she take the house, she have to compensate you for the house. So I don't get a messy divorce. Your health is the 3 of Pentacles. And your home life is the Ace of Wands. Yeah, you're probably fucking in our home. Because your home life, you're masturbate yourself, but your love life, your home life, the life where they're yard and the Ace of Wands. You're horny all day and you don't have sex with her. Me getting your love, which is Tinder, your dating apps, POF, OkCupid, Bumble, Hinge. All of these shits, yeah, me getting, yeah, look for that. And yeah, look for that on the first date. I don't think you look for sex for the first date though. I feel like you want intimacy. You want hug, kiss, touch, suck off breast. I'm sorry, Neil. You want hug, you want to do everything except penetration. Maybe that's why you're cheating on your wife. You're saying, I can't cheat on my wife even though I don't find her attractive. So can we can just do a little Kundalini romance, but no penetration. We're getting something like that. Man, might as well you get divorced because I'm getting you're in a house and I'm getting a big nice house, but your room is a little corner you have a little corner in the room where you sit down. The way how you're so turned off, you don't even approach or you don't even talk to your woman no more. I'm getting you just lock up so. Nothing else, just Either way, she's gonna know that you're cheating on her. Nah. We got Virgo. We got recording devices. We got handler, and we have magic. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.